Yeah, good afternoon guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you guys how to um, buy different coins on Binance. Like you must have known now, Binance is a platform where you can easily buy any cryptocurrency, any coin at all, using your card depending on your location, or you can buy from P2P, that's peer to peer. So in my case I'll be showing you how I'm able to swap the USD coin I have already, USDT coin I have already for other coins. So in this particular tutorial, I will be using BNB. I'll be buying BNB first. I'll place the different buy. I'll buy BNB using the different buy options. So now let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you have a stable amount of USDT. So for the sake of this tutorial, I already funded my wallet with some USDT. So after which, the first thing to do is to come over to the home page. Normally it's good you check for how the coins are performing. So as you can see, BNB is topping the list on the hottest cryptocurrencies for today. On the hot list, BNB is the first one, and followed by BTC and Ethereum. So these are altcoins, but I'll be going for this now. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is go to the trades. So you click on BNB USDT pair, you search for BNB. So I'll choose this first pair. Since my base currency is USDT, I have some USDT already in my wallet, so and that's what I want to be making the purchase with. So I'll choose BNB USDT. So had it been I have BUSD in my wallet or BTC, I can choose this other second pair or the third pair depending on what I'll be using for the purchase. But in this case, I'll be using USDT only. So let's click the first option. So this is how it looks like. On this under column, you have the buy and the sell. If we want to sell, we click on sell. If we want to buy, you click on the buy. Then this second row is the market. That's where you have the different types of buy options. So on clicking it, we have the buy limit, the market, the stop limit, trailing stop, and OCO. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the buy limit and market. So on the buy limit, you have to choose a particular price of BNB that you buy at. Let's say I want to buy when BNB falls below or falls lower than the current market price is 206.9. Maybe let's say I want to buy at 206.5 or 205, anyhow you want it. So I'll just choose this, then I'll specify the amount of BNB I want to buy. You can use 75% of your whole USDT or whatever. I will need to transfer funds here before I'll be able to place this order, because I don't have enough USDT in my trading wallet. So that is for the buy limit. So let's assume I want to buy using the market option. This market option helps you to buy using the current market price. So if I click buy now, I'll be buying at this particular market price. And if I want to sell also using the sell limit, it's the sell option and the market option, I'll be selling at this exact market price. So the advantage is that even if you are having issues with your network, once you click OK, the advantage of using the buy limit is that if you're having poor internet connection, you can easily place the order and forget about it, even if it doesn't open the trade immediately. After a little while, when the trade must have been open, it will still open at that particular limit you've already set it to. So unlike this buy market, you just buy, and if the network is slow, it might take a while before it will eventually enter the trade. So let's say I'll need to transfer funds to my funding wallet, so I'll be able to make some transfers. Okay. Okay. So I will send from the BUSDT to BUSD to USDT. So in order to transfer from BUSD to USDT, look at the pay, how it looks like now. BUSD, USD. So I want to move from BUSD to USDT. What I will do is I will sell the BUSD and I'll be getting this USDT. So it's going to be a sale kind of market. So in this case, I'll enter the amount. My balance is 28 BUSD. So let's say I just want to trade maybe 10, or let me say 11 BUSD. So after entering 11, I'll just sell it. Sussex. So let me check my wallet again. Now I'll be able to complete the buy trade I've been trying to do earlier. So go back and search for BNB to USDT and click on the buy option. My balance is 11 points this, so I'll be using the market and I'll be using the whole 100%. So I want to use the whole USDT to buy the BNB. So I will just click on buy. So, and that's all. So, it will reflect in my wallet immediately. For the sake of this, let me just show you. We now have 11.38 BNB. Okay, so that is it. Then on the other hand, we have stop limits, but if you are a newbie, if you are just starting, if you just installed this Binance app and you don't know much about trading, I will advise you to use only these first two options, the limits and the market options, when you are buying or selling, because this particular sell limit or stop limit is more like in forex, where you set your stop losses and your take profit. So it's very technical. If you don't know much about the forex trading, you might not be able to get along with this one. So it is usually advisable you go with the first two options, because they are easier to trade with. So I think that is all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned a lot. Please, if you have any questions, you can ask in our comment box. And to get the Binance app, I'll be dropping a link in the description box where you can easily register and download the Binance app on your phone. You just need to have a recognized method of identification, maybe your driving license or your international passport for the verification. It's very simple to create, and it's a very nice app. You can see you have different you can trade different pairs, you can trade different countless pairs, you can buy anything you want to buy, any coin, different coins, and it's very fast and reliable. So that is it, guys. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you very much for coming around, guys. Have a nice day.